My name is Brad Kohler, and I am from Manchester, New Jersey, just east of here in Ocean County. A very nice community called Leisure Village. I'm a vendor most times. If I don't sell anything, I become a volunteer. From high school age, I was hiking. I was finding any trail I could in the Jersey City area, which was slim pickings. We would travel north to the Palisade Interstate Park and hike their trails. In college, I was making trails. I was hiking trails. Instead of going to Florida for spring break or Christmas break, we were out hiking Harriman Park. So, yes, I've been hiking for quite a while. One day we were hiking in Harriman Park, and it was fall, and we came upon a water spring, and we filled up our canteens. And at that point, we're sitting on the ground, and we look up, and there's a sugar maple in full color. It was a bright orange, and it was so vivid. It was beautiful. The advice is follow your instincts. Sometimes they're off, but most times they're not. And oh yes, and volunteer, volunteer with parks, volunteer with any worthy organization. I volunteer with Ocean County Parks at Caddis Island. I volunteer with National Park up in the Water Gap. So I've been volunteering most of my life.